Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna create a package in CorelDraw. Since by default this option is not available, we're just gonna add it. In order to do this, go to Tools, Options. Under Workspace, Customization, Commands. Bring down Show All Items, press on Search and type Collect. Press Find Next and it should highlight the option for you. Then just simply drag it to your desired location. Since I already did this, I'm just gonna press Escape. So once we did this, we can create a package. Go to File, Collect for Output, press Next, check for presets of PDF file, version of Corel, press Next. Corel will show us which fonts are used in documents. Press Next. Color profiles we used. Press Next. Desired location where the files will be saved. Press Next and wait. Then it's gonna list us all the files it collected. Press Finish. Then we can check this in Explorer. As you can see, we got the image that was linked in document, 4 fonts, PDF file, Corel file, and color profiles. That's it, and thanks for watching.